In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom field in Asana for capacity planning. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, open your project, and add two key fields, estimated time and effort points, so you can plan workload with confidence. Start by heading to Asana's login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. This is a quick, secure way to access your workspace. When Google prompts you, select your account and complete any verification. If you're part of multiple organizations in Asana, make sure you're entering the right one so the fields you add appear in the correct projects. Once you land in Asana, open the project where you want to manage capacity. This is often a team's delivery or sprint project. It helps to be in list view so fields are easy to see across tasks, but you can add fields from any view. Look to the top right of your project and click Customize. This opens the configuration sidebar where you can turn on features and manage fields without leaving your project. In the sidebar, find the Field section. This is where we'll add the capacity-related fields. Click Add to browse available options. First, add an estimated time field by selecting Time your work. This gives your team a consistent place to enter how long a task is expected to take. Decide a clear convention with your team, such as logging values in hours and rounding to the nearest half hour, so reporting stays consistent. This field helps you see at a glance where the team's time will go and how much work fits into a given period. Next, we'll add an effort measure. Click Add again, then choose Create New to build a custom field from scratch. In the name box, type something clear like Effort Points 1-5. Keep the name simple and include the scale in the title so everyone interprets it the same way. Now open the Field Type dropdown and choose Number. A numeric field keeps estimates flexible and sortable and works well with dashboards and workload views. When you're ready, click Create Field. The new field is added to your project immediately and will appear on every task. From here, you can start entering estimated time and effort points on tasks. Use time for duration-based planning and effort points for complexity or uncertainty. Keep your scales consistent across teams, review totals during planning, and sort or filter by these fields to spot bottlenecks early. With these two fields in place, you'll have a reliable foundation for capacity planning in Asana without changing how your team already works.